What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, and today we got another video for you guys. I know I haven't been doing repair videos lately. I've been in school and it's hard to do both at the same time, but I can do it. But so here's a TTR230 that I'm going to be restoring, and I'm going to take you guys along the process so you guys can see how to fix this thing up and well, the transformation I want to do to this thing. It's going to be a full restoration. So pretty much the guy I got it from, he bought it as a project, and well, he never finished it. So here we are. He said he got it running with this Chinese carburetor that he bought for it, but he says he couldn't get it to ride because he says that this carburetor is not tuned right. So I do have the original carburetor for this thing. So first thing I really want to do is get this carburetor cleaned, throw it on there, drain out the tank, and then see if I can get it started. It's gonna be a full restoration project, and I'm gonna take you guys along the journey. Alright, so the first step for this, I need to take apart this carburetor. So sorry for all the junk I got in around here, but main thing I gotta do is take off this float bowl. So that's the first step. Take off the float bowl, check out how it looks inside. Alright, to take off the float bowl, you take off these 4 screws at the bottom of the carburetor, and if it's stuck real hard, what you could do is get your screwdriver, just tap it on the side. Eventually it should come loose. You should be able to take it all apart. And as you can see, it's got old gas in it. It's all evaporated. This is stuck. There it is. This little forget what those are called. Baffle. This little baffle for the jet. But for the main jet looks completely clogged. Idle jet looks fine, just the main jet's clogged. So this should be a very easy fix, and so I'll go ahead and throw this in my ultrasonic cleaner and move on further with this. And also the needle valve is stuck, so I'm gonna have to throw this in there and hopefully it gets unstuck. But so that's the first step. All right, here we are at the cleaner, and is it gonna turn on? That does not sound good. There it is. I don't know what the heck happened there, but she's on. And I'm just gonna throw these in here. And what I got in here is Fabuloso. It's a cleaner that you could buy from Family Dollar or Dollar General or even Walmart. Buy it from any of those places. And it looks like I need to top this off with some water, but just gonna go ahead, set it to the highest temperature it goes. So the highest is 80 degrees Celsius. Start that, just start the vibration. And I'm just gonna top this off, leave it in there for a good 30 minutes, and then come back. Alright, so I took out the basket so that way I could get the carburetor in there a little bit farther. Top that thing off with some water. Looks like the carburetor is done. Let's see. The float needle got unstuck. Just gotta blow this thing out and get it on the bike. Alright, got the carburetor all put back together. This project is gonna have to wait until tomorrow because I don't have any regular gas right now. All I have is 2-stroke gas, so I'm gonna have to wait because I gotta drain this tank out. So until tomorrow. Alright everybody, it's been more than a couple days, but I did get gas for this thing and I did put the carburetor on, and she runs. Let me see. She only runs if she has a battery. She has to have a battery for her to run properly. If you disconnect the cables while it's running, it'll start to stutter or sputter. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. It doesn't run right. Okay. There you go. Got power. And probably gonna have to choke it by hand real quick. Let's see if I can record this. Try at least. Runs. It doesn't smoke. It does have that little miss, but I think that once I run it for a little while, it should clear out because the carburetor was pretty clogged up. And also, once I put the air box on, I'm pretty sure it's gonna run a little bit better. But so now, the next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the because I'm waiting for the fork seals, and I have the fork boots, but I don't have the fork seals. I want to redo the front suspension, but next thing I'm gonna probably do is change out these tires. I got a brand new set of tires, brand new set of Pirelli tires. I have these on my TTR230, and they've lasted a really long time, and I take that thing like super. I abuse it. Not abuse it, but I really use it. So these are very good tires. So I got these, and I got a set of tubes, which are in this box. So I guess I'll do the tires now. But so that's it for this this episode of this series. I'm gonna record another video after I get some of the parts installed, but I'm still waiting on some stuff. So once I get those, then I'll make another video. But yeah, for now, I hope you guys learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.